In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the color palette in Google Slides, enhancing your presentation's visual appeal in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to create a coherent theme or simply want to make your presentation pop, knowing how to customize colors is an invaluable skill for any slide creator. First, let's get started by heading over to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and typing in the Google Slides URL. Now, it's important to make sure that you're signed in to your Google account. Simply enter your credentials if prompted. This ensures that all your changes are saved automatically to the cloud, giving you easy access to your presentation anytime, anywhere. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage. Here you can either start a brand new presentation or choose from an existing template. If you want to create your own unique presentation, click on the blank presentation option. Alternatively, choose a template that aligns with your theme by browsing through the available options. With your presentation open, let's move on to selecting the text or object that you would like to modify. Just click on the element that you want to change. Google Slides is intuitive, so feel free to experiment and see the changes happen in real time as you adjust settings. Next, to begin refining the details, look towards the top menu and find Format. Go ahead and click on it, and you will observe a drop-down menu unfolding, giving you numerous options for styling your text and elements. Now in the Format menu, search for the Text submenu, click on it. By accessing this option, you are given a set of tools tailored specifically for any text adjustments you might want to make. It's a valuable section for perfecting the aesthetic of your text. In this submenu, find and click on Color. By clicking Color, you unlock the palette of colors available in Google Slides. Not only does this palette offer a spectrum of hues to choose from, but you can also customize shades to perfectly match your desired theme. Take a moment to hover over the colors. You'll instantly see a preview of how your text will look with different selections, making it easier to decide what works best for your design needs. Explore and select a color that enhances your presentation's overall look and feel, and there you have it, a tailor-made color palette that gives your Google Slides presentation a personalized touch. By learning to navigate and utilize these settings, you can make your presentation stand out, achieving both clarity and creativity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to experiment with different color combinations to create the best visual impact for your audience.